good morning. All right, so today I'll teach 4 steps, okay? So let's go step by step. Hands on waist, now start bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second feet, bounce करेंगे, hands को roll करना, okay? So this is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, all right? Again, 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second feet, now 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, okay? Alright, now I'll teach how to do 2 steps, okay? Well, 3, hands on waist, join first feet. Take first feet, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? ये था 2 steps, now I teach cine turn, okay? Well, 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. That was the cine turn. Now I'll teach step cross back, step cross front. Okay, the last step. Join your feet, hands on waist, step to the side, cross back, step to the side, cross back, step to the side, cross front, step to the side, cross front. That is called step cross back, step cross front. Okay, अब इसमें हम hands का use करेंगे. Well, so 3, 2, 1, go. 1, cross back, 2, cross back, up, front, right? So ये था step cross back. So we have 4 steps. We सारे steps को ना I'll do this in a block and in a flow, right? Okay, chill. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second feet, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, right? Yes. So ये सारे steps थे. Now I'll do all the steps on the music. Get it? Nice. Thanks for watching. I hope this is going to help you a lot. And stay safe, stay happy, be in quarantine. Bye bye.